A vast expanse of yellow sand is dotted with round pastures in the southern part of the Təklamakān, China's largest desert, in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. In recent years, Hotan County, located at the southern fringe of the desert, has actively promoted the development of smart agriculture. Forage planting has become possible regardless of the high evaporation rate and low water retention capacity in the desert. Water-saving irrigation equipment has been applied to accurately control the amount and time of water spraying. Through forage planting, the county has seen an improvement in the ecological environment, the development of animal farming, and an increase in farmers' income.
沙漠种植牧草是一件很有意义的事情，既能防风固沙，又能带动当地村民致富。
By the end of 2021, the local forage planting area had exceeded 100,000 mu, and the number of cattle and sheep had reached 737,100.